Alright guys, this is my Thor Hurricane 34J. It's the 2018. It's a 35-foot Class A motorhome. And I just totally destroyed my refrigerator in here. 34J. Alright, I want to show you this. I'm really hesitant to show you guys this because it's kind of embarrassing to show you this, but maybe someone can learn from my mistake here. Let me show you what I did. Alright, this is not the original refrigerator for this RV. This is actually only about, I don't know, maybe a year and a half old. The guy I bought it from replaced this when he got it, and he owned this for about 8 months, and then I sold it to me. This is actually a really nice refrigerator, and it's got, you know, the freezer up here. The brand of this is called Contour, and it's just over 10 cubic feet of space. It's really nice. It doesn't have any ice maker in it, but it keeps things really cold. This runs on 120 volts. And which runs off my inverter. When I'm driving down the road, I have to turn my inverter on. But one thing it didn't have is, see this little latch right here? I wanted to get some kind of a latch because when we were driving like this and you take a turn like this, the doors would fly open on this thing. There was no latch at all on this, and so I wanted to find a latch. I found this on Amazon. This is just a little latch. You see these commonly on RV refrigerators, these smaller residential refrigerators. But what it does is it mounts right here to the, like kind of to the frame area, and then it's open. That allows the doors to open, and then you lock them down and it holds them like that. You've probably seen these, and I wanted this kind of latch. I thought this was kind of a cool latch, but it has to be kind of screwed. And what I thought was I could just use the mounting holes from the refrigerator door that can be moved from one side to the next. What I did is I screwed in these screws right here, these two right here. I screwed those in, and when I mounted this up, the bottom door, this refrigerator door would hit this, and so I'm like, oh, I need to go a little bit higher and a little bit this way. And so what I did is I drilled this hole right here, this little one right here. I was just going to use that one because it was right next to that one. Right when I started to drill into there, I hit the refrigerant line, and refrigerant just shot out of there like crazy, man. I mean, it probably leaked out of there for probably 5 minutes. It was just spewing out refrigerant. So I basically ruined this refrigerator, unfortunately. So I want to just caution anyone that's looking to do one of these latches is don't even get this kind. I should have just got something that was like a little latch or some kind of like 3M adhesive over here, and then this strapped over here like this. I thought this would look a little better, but if I'd have done something like that, I still would have a refrigerator that works. Now, I don't know if this is even repairable. I don't think it'd be repairable because I was drilling into here. There's probably metal shavings now in the refrigerant lines. It's got to get repaired, patched. I don't know. So the solution, I think, is just I'm going to have to replace the entire refrigerator, which this is only a 1.5 year old refrigerator, but it's, now been busted. All because I was trying to mount a stupid little latch right here. What's weird is I didn't hit the line there or there, but as soon as I moved right to there, that little millimeter over this way, that hit the refrigerant line right there. Didn't hit it there either. So I didn't think there'd be any kind of refrigerant line. I thought it just would be like more insulation right through here, but not the case. Not the case, guys. So learn from my mistake and don't drill into your refrigerator in this area right here, or really anywhere, because you have no clue where these refrigerant lines are. And I've basically ruined a $1,000 refrigerator. So a replacement's coming soon, I guess, to the channel, so stay tuned to that. So hopefully you've learned from my mistake. Leave in the comments down below if you think this is even repairable or what I should do with this thing. Leave your comment down below, guys. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks.